Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of biology for class 12th. Today we will take up chapter 8 Human Health and Diseases part 3 and the subtopic of the day is AIDS. Now the learning objectives of the session: AIDS, its transmission, structure of virus, life cycle of HIV and preventive measures. That means after completion of the session, you will be able to achieve the learning objectives of the session. AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Syndrome is set of symptoms. Let's start with the general account on AIDS. It was first reported in 1981. It is caused by human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, which is a retrovirus. Now the transmission of HIV, it occurs in one or more of the ways: by sexual contact with infected person, by transfusion of contaminated blood and blood products, by sharing infected needles, or from infected mother to the child through placenta. The individuals which are at high risk of getting the disease are those who have multiple sexual partners, drug addicts taking the drugs intravenously, individuals who require repeated blood transfusion, and children born to an infected woman. Now about the HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. It is a retrovirus. As you are able to see that the RNA is genetic material and there are certain molecules of enzyme, that is reverse transcriptase, which is visible in the diagram. Retrovirus is a type of RNA virus that inserts a copy of its genome into the DNA of host cell that it invades, thus changing genome of the host cell. Retroviruses have an enzyme called reverse transcriptase that gives them a unique property of transcribing their RNA into DNA after entering a cell. HIV is an example of retrovirus. Now about the life cycle of HIV. This diagram or the figure is very important for board exams. So you need to prepare it properly. As you are able to see, it is showing the replication of retrovirus, how the virus invades a cell, multiplies and then infect other cells in the body. All is visible in the picture given. Now about the life cycle or the mode of HIV infection. Virus enters the macrophages after entering the body of a person. Macrophages are called as the production house or the factory of virus. RNA gets replicated to form viral DNA by enzyme reverse transcriptase. Viral DNA gets incorporated into the host cell DNA and directs the infected cells to produce virus particles. Macrophages continue to produce virus particles and thus acts as HIV factory. These virus particles enter into helper T lymphocytes in the blood where they continue to replicate and produce viral progenies. The number of helper T lymphocytes progressively decreases in the body of the infected person. As the number of T cells decreases, the immunity also decreases. As a result, person cannot produce any immune response even against common bacteria like Mycobacterium, parasite like Toxoplasma, viruses and fungi. Now there is a specific test which is widely used as a diagnostic test for AIDS, that is ELISA, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. Treatment with antiretroviral drugs is only partially effective. It can only use to prolong the life of the infected person. Now about the preventive measures for the infection. National AIDS Control Organization NACO with other non-governmental organizations all are trying their best to educate people about AIDS. That means to control this infection, awareness is very important. Now the role of WHO, that is World Health Organization, is very important to prevent this infection. WHO has started a number of programs to prevent spreading of HIV infection. Some such steps are ensuring the use of disposable syringes and needles, ensuring keeping blood banks safe from HIV, that is checking blood for HIV, free distribution of condoms and advocating safe sex, prevention of drug abuse, discouraging unsafe sex and encouraging regular checkups. Actually, if the person get infected by the use of antiretroviral drugs, we can only prolong the life of the patient but cannot prevent the death. So, prevention is better than the cure. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Thank you for patient listening. Take care.